Hello and welcome to this instructional video about Skype, a free downloadable software which allows you to make calls, message, and share files with people all over the world. To get started, we'll first go to skype.com. Skype's website is pretty user-friendly, so let's take a look at some of the features it has to offer. Some of the free features that Skype has includes the latest downloads, video and voice calls to anyone else on Skype, and instant messaging and file sharing. In addition to these free features, you can also pay for additional services such as calls to landlines, text messaging, and public hotspots with Skype Wi-Fi. For those of you who are relatively new to Skype, let's look at a couple of features you need to get started. It's pretty simple. All you need are a webcam, a working internet connection, and a computer or mobile device with a working microphone or speakers. Some of you might be worried what to do if you have several platforms you want to run Skype on, but that's the beauty of it. You can use your one Skype account across all your devices, from computers to tablets to TVs. Skype works on everything. Not only does Skype work on different devices, but it also runs on multiple operating systems. You can use it on Windows, or Mac, or Linux. Now that we know the basics, let's go ahead and install Skype. On the website, go ahead and click Get Skype for Windows. On this screen, you will see three basic steps on how to install the software. First, you save the Skype setup application to your desktop. Next, double-click the icon and follow the steps. And third, sign in with your Skype name and password. One of my favorite things about Skype is its convenience to log in. You can sign in one of three ways. 1, with your Skype name, 2, with your Microsoft account, or 3, with your Facebook. I'm going to go and sign in with my Skype name. Once you sign in, you'll be greeted by a very user-friendly homepage. Now the first thing you want to do when you enter Skype is test your mic and your speakers. So you want to click on the icon that says Eco Sound Test Service. This will ask you a prompt, and the prompt will ask you to enter a test message. Once you enter the test message, if your mic is working correctly, after a brief pause you will hear the message replayed back to you. Once you hear this message, you are assured that your speakers are working as well. Let's examine some of the widgets that are available on the Skype home window. First of all, the current setting is online. This means that we are available to be talked to and we are available to receive calls. Next is away. This means that you have been idle from your computer for a while, so nothing really indicates your status. Next is do not disturb. This means that you don't want to be talked to at the time, and basically indicates a busy. Next is the invisible button. This hides your status from any other Skype users. Finally, we have the offline button. This means that you're not able to make calls or receive any messages unless you switch to an online, away, do not disturb, or invisible. Now let's go ahead and make an actual call. In my contacts, I've already imported another account of mine. Now if I want to make a video call, I'll just go ahead and click on video call. But for purposes of this video, let's go ahead and make a voice call. I'm now picking up the call with my phone. As you can see, the two calls have been connected. Now, both parties can communicate like they're on a normal phone. When you disconnect the call, Skype will ask you for feedback. Go ahead and pick one of the options. Just like you can make a call on Skype, you can also receive one. I'm now going to call my computer from my cellular device. Now this works the same way like you were to make a call. You hit answer, then you talk, then you hang up. In my opinion, one of the coolest features of Skype is the ability to add more people to your chat. This can be very useful for students trying to complete a group project. Another student-friendly feature is the chat box. Located below the call section, the user has the ability to use instant messaging to contact the person on the other line. One can choose to send this message using Skype or an SMS. After you're done using Skype, go to the top left and hit the Skype button to sign out. Then you can simply X out and you're all done. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.